Hi, back again. We're now on the next section of the project. As you can see, I have joined two points together using the connectors. On this end is the standard steel connectors. These are the insulated connectors. And as you can see, the 2 points are fairly solidly joined. Now when I lay this on the track, you'll now be able to see, if you put them on a flat surface, you can slide the 2 points together without too much trouble. And the metal connectors here, we don't need an insulator because they're going to join the power right through the track. Sometimes you might have to trim the lugs of the point to allow it to connect together. A sharp Stanley knife will do the job. And as you can see, it's a simple job of cutting through this piece of plastic. There's the piece of plastic on the knife. Now, that will allow me now to slide this together. A little trimming here again, so make sure there's no pressure being put on the connectors. When you've joined them on the table, you can now see that you can move them around the table in one. I will now demonstrate using the Dremel drill of drilling these sleepers ready for nailing. You get the hole in the centre of the sleeper, allows you to put the nail in to position the point. These nails are very small, but they are the proper ones for the job. And as you can see, I've now put the nail in the hole. With my little tiny hobby hammer, I can nail them in. It's very important that you don't drive the nail too far. It's only got to go flush with the sleeper. Otherwise you will bend the sleeper on the point and you'll damage it. Now, the punch can be handy if you can't get your hammer into position. You can use the punch to simply nail them down. As you can see, it's a very simple process. And now that has made the point solid. I'm now going to line up the next point and drill that again. We have to cut a section of track in here. Now we can't nail this off until this track is in position. I will now demonstrate. And making sure that the point is connected squarely where it's supposed to be. I generally find 2 or 3 nails to a point is more than adequate. It's very important that you don't nail them down too tight. Otherwise, when you mount a point motor on it, you'll have issues with the point working properly with the motor. So, again, just tack them down to where you are comfortable with. Get the punch. It is as simple as that.